Why did my mother drag me here? Oh yeah,
just
episode
listen
5.
To this.
Mother hen, I'm gonna kill you after this.
What? This is the Toucan Chat Time Show! I mean, what? Okay. I have to talk to you, and because we have a shield around us.
Say what?
What's with your anger issues?
I don't have anger issues! How do you think this?
You hurt me.
But I didn't even
You hurt my feelings!
Oh, I guess we can...
You have anger issues! I mean, I don't, I mean, you do! My heart a little sass.
Go away, mother hen!
Are you okay, camera dude?
I'm gonna kill Cameron. No!
That's
No!
not being
No!
nice.
Oh God! Oh God!
Okay, now that I tied you up,
What?
it's bomb-proof.
Oh,
Okay, so,
can we just end this episode and you'll just sing a song and we can end the series?
fine.
Sing your song!
This is the last chance of a century
Blow you up!
to let you have any imagination. I'm being serious.
Bye! Bye!
I said bye!